Hello and good morning. Fabby from Pack Punch Traders here. Going to do a quick review of my trades this morning. Kind of an iffy morning, 1 for 2. Definitely missed the better play, and I'll get over it right now. We'll go over it, not get over it. I am already over it. The loss of the day, which I'm not even really mad about. We got Snoa here, which is got the pattern of any gapper, is a great all-day fader, and I was just looking for the failure to break down and reclaim open price and potentially reverse that pattern if it has enough volume to hold it up to squeeze those shorts out who are expecting that move for it to just fade the whole day. Didn't end up happening. So good thing I only had a starter at 410. Ended up cutting it at 387. Slightly more than a 5% loss. It was 5.6%, but I'm okay with that because it was only 100 shares. Wasn't big size, only lost 23 bucks, nothing significant. So was okay with letting it test a little bit more than the 5%. So that was Snoa. We got this failure, but who knows if this thing disappoints and doesn't keep failing, it might come back and perform a high day break. Like anything could happen, but so far just nasty trend. Volume isn't totally there. It would need some good volume to really bring it back, and just not there right now, so that's the loss there. But right after I took the loss, similar pattern here with Naov, which does have history of running, which is a little better, even though the past 6 months or so, a little bit more. We just been getting this fade, and each pop is a good short. But today we got the failure to break down here, and right in here, excuse me, was where I was getting in. Saw the 113 and open price reclaim with the VWAP hold here. So got in a quick little 500 shares at 119, and then I added just as it was moving here in the 122 area. It was a market order. So I got an average of 121, 2,000 shares. I really wanted it to get to 150, 145-ish. But I did keep in mind we had some pre-market resistance here, so when it got up there on some serious volume that I didn't think it would be able to sustain, I started considering selling, and the next minute it couldn't head higher, so I instantly smacked it for a sell, and it was just beautiful. So sold a penny from the high, pretty good entry, made up my loss, 11.6% win on this one. And that's just how you trade. Keep your losses small, your profits bigger, and over time it just adds up. So it would have been a much better win if it did what I wanted, but it didn't. But I'm glad I kept myself safe, didn't get greedy, took my quick, a little over 10%, and called it a morning. Drct was disappointing right out of the watch list. Just made the move pre-market. I was looking for the 365 breakout, then the 435 all-time high break, and it just took off. Offered $1 into the open here, and now just failing. But beautiful grind back. If shorts fail to take this lower, as this is kind of like a double top here, lower high. If this fails to head lower, a low float market cap like this could easily come back and reclaim the highs and squeeze shorts out even higher. So this is something to keep on watch for later. Didn't play it today. A little disappointed that it worked out the way it did, but you got to be disciplined. I rarely trade pre-market. I sometimes will take a trade, but was busy today. Was at the gym. Wasn't feeling it in between sets to put a trade in. So yeah. Then we got Isage. Oh, I thought it was here. 1 second. This is gonna pause the video. Damn it. And we're back. So Isage was, I think, the play of the morning. Just a beautiful, simple, low float, low market cap breakout over 12-ish here. Oh, I thought the breakout was 11.5 last time. I was going on live stream talking about it being 11.5. It's actually 12. That actually makes it better here because it holds up right in this 12 area, holds a view, holds a VWAP, continues to hold the uptrend from the morning here. Volume keeps coming in, and when it does fade, it still keeps holding up even though the energy is gone behind it. So it fails to break down, and then from there we get a quick pop from 12 to mid 14s. Solid opportunity to take your quick $2, dollar and a half or so, maybe even a little bit more than $2. But yeah, that's a beautiful quick trade that I would have loved to take. Breakout play, predictable, easy, and reading it here. I know this is hindsight, but this is what you look for. You look for the failure to break down, holding key levels, holding trend, and for volume to keep coming in. And that's kind of same deal here with Naov, with this dip buy here holding the VWAP level and the open price play. So yeah, I just want to go over those real quick. Kind of a slower morning for me, just those two, not on crazy size. So yeah, not too bad of a morning. Still early. Was patient, let plays come to me. Besides ISIG, that came to me a little late. But besides that, I'm glad how I traded SNOA, cutting my loss with a small starter, not getting emotional about that one, and then transitioning to NAOV and focusing on that and recognizing how that play was a better choice than SNOA and sizing up accordingly into that one as it shows me it's failing to break down and volume comes in. So we'll leave it there. Please like the video if this was useful. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Besides that, follow us on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders. We got a bunch of alerts, watch lists out there. Excuse me. On there that I update in the morning and throughout the day sometimes. As well as if you want live streams for free, check out tradecaster.com. We're on there a good amount of time throughout the trading day. Caught NAOV and SNO8 this morning live. So yeah, we got Q&A on there and whatnot. So some really good material and resources out there for very cheap and free that you can help yourself in your trading journey and educate yourself. So we'll wrap it up there. Hope everyone's had a great morning, and I'll be back later with a video lesson going over the whole day.